Welcome to this beginner-friendly full-body dumbbell workout. In just 5 minutes, we'll target all major muscle groups using a pair of dumbbells and a small space. Remember to choose a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's warm up with some light movements. Start with arm circles, 10 seconds forward, then 10 seconds back. Now, some gentle bodyweight squats, just 5 reps to wake up the legs. Lastly, let's do some shoulder rolls. All right, grab your dumbbells. Goblet squat. Hold one dumbbell at chest height. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower down into a squat, keeping your chest up and knees tracking over your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Keep it slow and controlled. Dumbbell shoulder press. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height. Press them up until your arms are fully extended, then slowly lower back down. Keep your core engaged and avoid arching your back. Bent over rows, hinge at your hips, keeping a straight back. Pull the dumbbells towards your ribs, squeeze your shoulder blades together, then slowly lower them. Focus on controlled movement, avoiding momentum. Dumbbell deadlifts. With a dumbbell in each hand, lower them down your thighs, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Push your hips back, then return to standing by driving through your heels. This strengthens your posterior chain safely and effectively. Great job! Let's cool down with some gentle stretching. First, a standing quad stretch. Hold for 10 seconds on each leg. Now, a shoulder stretch, followed by a deep breath in and out. Remember to hydrate and stretch a little more if needed. Thanks for working out with me. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more beginner-friendly workouts. See you in the next one.